Okay, hello, my friends and all viewers come from anywhere. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. This is my application CNC Milling for Android. This is already updates in 2023, and I will review from the basic view of this application. You must click there and you can move anywhere you want. You can see like this, but if you click again on this, or click on this, you just move like this. Okay, and if you click this, you only can zoom in or zoom out like this, and you can click again on this. You can move anywhere you can. Okay, we will see the another menu for this camera. Click on this camera. You can see the piece of material and try click again. What happened? Camera 3, camera 1, camera 2, and then camera 3. This view have 3 point of view of camera. Okay, I go back to the camera 1, and you can click again on this. Maybe this is will be height of the machine and just show the tools and the piece of metal or workpiece. I will click again on this one, and if you click this, the coordinate will be height. Okay, sorry, I will click again. Okay, thank you for review part 1. See you on the next video. Thank you.